Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with entry number 5 into my birthday giveaway challenge. This is from Diana Hernandez. Hi Diana, thank you so much for joining in my challenge. So let's dive right in. Look how cute these are packaged. So festive. I love this color scheme. I'm going to open this up. And I apologize in advance if you guys hear some dogs barking. I don't know what's going on in my neighborhood today. But she has some fun little sequins inside the bag. Oh, it looks like she sent me 2. How sweet. Look at this one. I love the use of vellum back here. There's some of the shaker bits from the packaging that's floating around. And this is from the Simple Stories collection that I used last year, which I'm still hoarding, like all the chipboard pieces. But this is so cute. So there's a green and red, like candy cane striped paper in the background. It is very sturdy, thank you. She has some of the chipboard pieces, a clear sticker that says Merry Christmas, and it's a shaker. And I'm loving this really cute red pom-pom trim that she used around the edge. So thank you so much. Diana is on Instagram and YouTube. She says she does not do videos, which is totally fine. I will leave her Instagram channel link in the description box for you guys if you guys want to check her out. Look how adorable this is. This is so cute. I don't know what dye this is. I think it's a llama, but don't quote me on that. And then I don't know if she stamped this tree out and cut it out. It looks like she used some sort of applique or that snow marker on the white parts. This cute plaid bow right here. And I think she used some Nuvo drops in the background and then stamped that sentiment. Thank you so much. She says her favorite color is green. Her favorite holiday is Halloween. And for the craft style, she says, not sure. I do a little bit of everything. I'm that way too. So thank you for those. You're so sweet to send me 2. Here is the card. It looks like she made a dimensional box for it. Hey Mama Llama, happy birthday. There's that cute llama again. That is so adorable. And it looks like it's an easel card. How adorable. She has some dimensional stickers here. I think this might be the confetti collection from DCWV. I don't own it, but I've seen people use it. Thank you so much. This is so super cute. And not only did she send in her entries, Diana also made me a tag flip and a birthday theme. I don't know which side is the front. I think it might be this. Look at this super cute little tassel dangle. It's got caught. So she has some tassels on here, rickrack, some other trim, some eyelash trim, some of this sequin trim. Super cute. And she has some of this curling ribbon on here. I've been loving curling ribbon lately. I've been doing a lot of curling ribbon for my coworkers at work. But anywho, so this one, these are all envelopes. Says confetti and shout. She layered some of these dimensional stickers. Oh, and she installed some eyelets in all of these. How super sweet. And in here is some bling. So this is some clear bling, and then these are some Kaisercraft bling. So thank you so much. You are too sweet to do this. And then the next one says add a little confetti to each day. I really want to make one of these now. These are so much fun. It says it's your day. Some more trim. So this looks like it's adhesive back. What is that? The bling trim. And oh, I think this is adhesive back too. These look like about 4mm pearls, like a double strand of it. Thank you. Can definitely use those. She has a tag on here. It says throw kindness around like confetti. She decorated the back of it with this super cute rosette and this shaker cupcake. How adorable. It looks like she made this one from vellum. These little dimensional stickers are super cute. So she has a shaker in here. Lots of little teeny tiny hearts. She included this package of these tiny red bows with the pearls in the center. Looks like she just put another topper on there. Here's the next one. It says make a wish. So this one, yep, is an envelope. She cut out a vellum tag and then used another tag, I think, from the collection. Tied it with some eyelash trim. Some more stickers. Oh, I know what these are. I remember getting these from Tuesday Morning like a long time ago. But they're so cute. They're pre-made embellishments. I'm trying to get all of them out. And then it looks like she punched out some glittery hearts. So these are already pre-made and they have the square on the back. So you just stick these on your projects. And this is great for upcoming Valentine's Day. So this is a double layered like primitive heart. They're super cute and they're already done. Here's another heart. They're teeny tiny like faux stitched tags. How darling. These are so fun. Thank you so much. I will use those because you know Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Here's another one with another super cute dimensional cake sticker. Some Nuvo drops in black and teal. Huge flower on the back and it's glittery. And here there are some paper flowers. I'm not going to take them all out. It's going to take me forever, but there's different sizes of these flowers and you can build on top of each other and create dimensional flowers. Thank you. Here's another tag. And I think she probably put the glossy accents on the frames herself. More Nuvo drops. It's a great way to use Nuvo drops. She also has some of these self-adhesive gems, great for Christmas. Making sure. Okay, there's two more. So this one has these super cute balloons that say party. Queen for a day. I like to celebrate for a month, but that's just me. Oh my gosh, how adorable. I don't know if... Are these from Michael's? I think somebody was talking about them, but I never saw them. How adorable are these? They're like flat back wooden strawberries. And then these teeny tiny clothespins, which is great for closing up any type of little baggie to gift. And then here's the last one. It says hip hip hooray, best day ever. It says handmade by Diana Hernandez. Oh, and she has a little letter in here for me, which I will read off camera. But thank you so much, Diana. This was so super sweet. I love this, and I'm definitely going to try to make one of my own and use this as inspiration. I love the idea of these little envelopes on here. So that is so sweet of you. So thank you, Diana, for entering in my challenge. Again, I will leave her Instagram link down in the description box below if you guys want to go over and show her some love. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will be back really soon with another entry. Bye, everyone.